So that unlocks the seat, and then this is pushed in that way, so you have to pull this way. So that's this side you have to pull out of that hole. Next, with your screwdriver, on this seat that folds up, you're gonna want to get these little brackets out of there. So just with the screwdriver, I don't know if you can see that, just get them out just like that. So get that one out. And there's one on this side. Just same thing, just get those out. Okay, so now that you have the seat out, you're gonna have to make a platform for you to lay on with two 2x4s or 2x2s, whatever you want to use, going down to the. So depending on how thick your platform is gonna be, you might have to make a little piece here. So I'm almost there. That's gonna sit flush almost on that. But this is from my Mark III TDI. I had this set up, and the Mark IV is deeper, so I need to put some longer legs on it, so then it's gonna be nice and flat. That will sit flush once these are a little bit longer, so yeah, I need to go make some longer ones now. So it's almost flush. I found a little scrap piece I have at about 5.5 inches, so I just put it on top, and man, it is almost flat. So I think if I cut, measure that and just do 5 inches on the bottom piece, measure it all together. So we got pretty much level. Might be a little bit on the incline, but I'd rather have that because most of the places I'm gonna be car camping, it's not flat anyways. But yeah, those worked out really well, the lengths. And the reason I do it like this, the reason I like to take out the seats is because one, these windows are not tinted. So if I have my laptop in here, or if I have like some kite gear or camping gear, you know, it's either needs to be up in the rocket box or it needs to be put away. So I like to hide all my valuable stuff under here. And there's a lot of room to hide, like my laptop, all my camera gear if I'm in the water or whatever. So that's why I make it like this. Usually, let me go get my pad and my sleeping bag. Oh, that's awesome. So in the Mark III, I could never lay totally flat. I was always, my feet or legs were always kinked to the corner. So I'm really stoked that I am completely flat in this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked, yeah. So I'll have all my gear over here, camping stuff, camping stove, all this room. And then I'm gonna be flat. Oh, it's gonna be great. I'm so stoked for this road trip. So the wagon is my daily driver, and I love last minute, last second trips. So this is an easy and fast way to get this car ready for me to sleep in. You know, if you're not 6 foot, you probably don't even need to make the platform unless you like the storage for underneath. Like if you're 5 foot 5'2", like just put the seat down and you probably can lay flat already. You know, if my son comes with me, he can sleep on the other side, or if my wife comes with me, if we're doing like a quick weekend getaway and you know we're only sleeping for about 5 to 6 hours in the car. Like sometimes I go on these hikes, I go up for the sunset to get the pictures, get the time lapse, I come back down, it's already 10, 11 o'clock once you get back down to the car from the trail. Hop in the car, go to bed, wake up like 5, go get coffee, and then go down to the beach to surf or whatever. It's just like you're not spending barely any time sleeping, so that we just sometimes it's way easier and just makes sense to not get a hotel room for the night. So but it is nice to have that compartment underneath to put a lot of stuff. You know, I leave my car sometimes for half the day up at the trailhead, or if I'm going down to the beach, you know, on the beach on the road, and I'm going down to the beach for the whole day. So a lot of people are looking in your car. So you know, I usually have the rocket box on top, so I'll put most of my you know, wet stuff or kite gear or surfboards up there. So I'm not gonna put my camera in there, or my laptop, or you know, anything else I want to keep dry. So that compartment, I use it a lot. I really like how it just makes it so people can't see in the car like that. So I wasn't planning on making a video on this. I was just doing it because I'm going camping soon, so I just grabbed the camera at the last second. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you get something out of it. I'll see you next time.